How to do financial statement analysis for P&L account. Revenue from operation. What do you mean by revenue from operation? From the following information, prepare common size. This is your stage 2. Clear. 2014 it is 60,000. This is your complete format for financial statement analysis of P&L. Hello everyone, I am your ALsir, lecturer in Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today we are in the 6th session of your topic called Analysis of Financial Statement. What do you mean by analysis of financial statement? What are the tools of analysis of financial statement? The types, problems, calculations, everything we done in the previous sessions. We did balance sheet calculation. In today's session, we will do calculation on profit and loss account. How to do financial statement analysis for P&L account. We did for balance sheet. Today we will learn for profit and loss account. Analysis of financial statement analysis on P&L. First one will be revenue from operation. Revenue from operation. What do you mean by revenue from operation? Revenue from operation means it is a sales. Your sales we call it as revenue from operation. Next, add income. It can be other income. Revenue from operation plus other income, you will get net revenue. This is your first stage of your calculation. You will get 3 stages. Out of that, this is your first stage. Now, we'll go for the second one. Less total expenses. Whatever expenses you have to mention that. Now, your net revenue will be considered as A and your expenses will be considered as B. A minus B will be profit before taxation. Profit before taxation. This is your stage 2. Stage 1 is over. This is your stage 2. After this, we'll go for stage 3. What is stage 3? In this, we will minus, what is this? Profit before taxation. Taxation has not deducted. We will minus tax. Minus taxation. You will get final answer, that will be net profit. So this is your complete format for analysis of financial statement in case of profit and loss account. Now, just remember revenue from operation, that is your sales. Add other income, you will get net income or total income. Minus total expenses. Whatever expenses you have to minus. After deducting your expenses, what you will get? You will get profit before taxation. Means taxation has not yet deducted. From this, if you minus taxation, your final answer will be net profit. I'll simplify this format with numbers, easy to understand. Now, revenue from operation, just assume as your revenue is 10,000. Other income, miscellaneous income, maybe 1,000. What is the total? The total is 11,000. This is your stage 1. Simple. Sales plus other income, we call it as total revenue or total income. After that, we have to take total expenses. It may be your salary, depreciation, rent, printing and stationery, advertisement, electricity bill, whatever it may be. All expenses we should consider. The total of all expenses may be 5,000. What is the total of all expenses? It is 5,000. Now, in this is your A. A is how much? 11,000. Your income is 11,000. Your expenditure is 5,000. 11,000 minus 5,000. What is your profit before taxation? 6,000. This we call it as profit before taxation. Your part B as well as stage 2. Stage 1 we completed. Stage 2 also we completed. Now we are moving to stage 3. Stage 3 is very simple. Simple calculation. You calculated up to profit before taxation. From this, you have to minus taxation. Taxation will be given directly in your question paper. For example, what is your profit now? 6,000. In the exam, they have given tax is 1,000. Now, 1,000 is your tax. 6,000 minus 1,000, how much? 6 minus 1, your final answer is 5,000. This we call it as net profit. After deducting expenses and your taxation, you will get your final answer called net profit. Clear? Yes. This is your complete format for financial statement analysis of P&L, profit and loss account. 90% in the question paper, the question will be in the same format. If the question is not in this format, you have to convert. You have to write it in this format while doing your answer. This is your 12 marks question. Now, in the comparative balance sheet and common size. In common size, the total we considered as denominator base. In this, which is the base? Which is the denominator? Remember, your sales are, your revenue from operation is always your denominator. Revenue from operation is your denominator. How means? How much you have? 1,000. So, 1,000 multiplied with 100. What is the base? Your base is 10,000. You should consider 10,000. Now, for example, you take this 5,000. How to calculate? 5,000 multiplied with 100 divided by what? Again, your 10,000. For every calculation, revenue from operation is your base or denominator. We'll go to one question and answer so that easy to understand. Before that, remember this format, write down in your white sheet so that you can understand better. While writing format, mention the numbers also so that easy to understand. What has to be added, what has to be deducted. With this, you will not understand. With numbers, easily you can understand. But remember, 3 stages you have to follow. From the following information, prepare common size. See here, common size statement. They have not mentioned balance sheet. This is what? Common size statement of profit and loss income statement. Income statement, profit and loss, both are same. Now, they have given the following information. Luckily, the question paper question what they have given, that is in the normal format only. We are not supposed to convert, already converted in the format. So, easy to calculate. Now, in this, as I told you, we have how many stages? 3 stages. Total revenue. Up to this stage 1. Cost of material. Up to total expenses, we call it as stage 2. Your net profit after deducting income tax, we call it as stage 3. We have stage 1, stage 2 as well as stage 3. Answer also we will do stage wise. First we will solve this one, then we'll come to this one, then we'll come for stage 3. This is your question, will go for your answer. Write down the question or take screenshot of this question, because while doing answer we need all the informations. We are doing stage 1. Stage 1 only 2 things will come: net revenue from operation and other income. If you total these two, that will be what? Total revenue. I'll go back to your question. See, total revenue from operation plus other income, your total revenue is how much? 60,300, 86,400. Same thing we have taken. In this problem, which is the denominator? Yes, the denominator is 60,000 for 2016. Denominator for 2017, yes, it is 86,000. Remember, for all the calculation, this is the denominator. For all the calculation of 2017, 86,000 is the denominator. For calculation purpose, we should consider this and we should consider this. We'll go to your answer. Now, as per the question, we have taken 60,000, 86,000, everything. Total also we have done. Now we'll go for the percentage. How to calculate percentage? Now, as I told you, your total itself denominator, your 60,000 itself, it is always 100. It is always 100. Now, 300. How to calculate 300? Simple. We are doing 2014. 300 multiplied with 100 divided by what? For 2014, what is the denominator? Denominator is 60,000. Divide by 60,000, your answer is 0.5%. Clear? Yes. Now we'll come for 2015. 2015, 86,000 is the base. Now, how to calculate 400? Now, 400 multiplied with 100 divided by what? Divided by 86,000. Divided by 86,000, you will get 0.47. It must not be 100. It can be any number. Total must not be 100. It may be 105, 110 and 95. Whatever it may be. It can be 100 or it can be more than 100. Now, like this you have to calculate. Your first stage is done. We'll go for the second stage. The second stage is all about your expenditure. I'll go back to your questions so that how we have taken you will get to know. See, your second stage: cost of material, employee benefit, financial expenses, other expenses, total expenses 36,000. Everything they have taken, total expenses 36. It is for 2014, it is for 2015. Whatever given in the question paper, same thing we copied. Now, how to write answer? Again, same concept. While doing 2014, don't see 2015. We'll do only 2014. What is the first one? 18,000. For this, 18,000 multiplied with 100 divided by what? Yes. What is the base? Yes, the base is 60,000. Answer is 30%. Similarly, we'll go for 9,000. For 9,000 multiplied by 100 divided by what? Again 60,000. Your answer is 15%. Next, we'll come for 5. What is your answer? 3,000. 3,000 multiplied with 100 divided by what? 60,000. Your answer 5%. Similarly, if you do for 6,000, you will get answer of 10%. For everything, the base should be how much? 60,000. How did you get this 60,000? I'll go back to your question. As I told you, what is your net revenue from operation? 60. 60,000 is the base for everything. 86,000 is the base for everything for 2017. Now, similarly, you have to do it for 2015 also. In this 2015, similarly, you have 20,000. 20,000 multiplied with 100 divided by 86,000. Similarly, 10,000 into 100 divided by 86,000. Similarly, everything, same thing you have to do. You will get 23%, 11, 3.95, 7.67. Final total is 46.51. Just we have to total this. Everything you will get your total. This is your stage 2. Clear? Yes. Stage 2 is done. Now, I'll go back to your previous slide. Stage 1, what is the answer? 60,300. Stage 2, what is the answer? 36,000. Now we'll come for the last one. They have given taxation. Again, I go back to your question. How we got all this? You will get to know. In the question, they have given stage 3, income tax as well as net profit. Same thing we copied. Now, in this, whatever amount they have given, we have taken everything. How you got this 24,300 means your part A minus part B. This is your answer. Part A minus part B is your answer. From that, if you minus taxation, you will get this value and this value. Now, how to convert into percentage? Simple. 24,300 multiplied with 100 divided by what? Remember, if it is 2014, it should be divided by 60,000. 4,000 multiplied with 100 divided by 60,000. Now, 20,300 multiplied by 100 divided by 60. For everything, same calculation. Same thing, 40%, 6.6. So, here we are not adding, we are deducting. Why? Because tax value we have to minus. 40 minus 6.67, your answer is 33.83. Like this, you have to calculate for 2015 also. While doing 2015, what base we should consider? The denominator must be 86,000. For 2014, it is 60,000, but for 2015, it is 86,000. Why? Why? Because what is the revenue from operation? Yes, the revenue from operation is 86,000. We should consider 86,000. 6,000. This is all about your today's session. Today you understood what do you mean by financial statement analysis of profit and loss account. How to calculate, what are the stages under profit and loss account. So how to calculate and how you will get your net income. Everything you understood in today's session. After this session, your homework will be very simple. Take same problem, learn the format without seeing answer, without seeing solution. You have to answer for that particular question. In the next session, we'll come with more number of problems that must be from your previous year question paper. Thank you.